Majina naitwa John Mwita, ni coach Kirangari. Actually we are happy kwamba tumerudi for the second time for the nationals. Our boys are prepared na are determined. Wamehakikishia we are going to win and go to East Africa. Yes, one of the achievements ambazo tumesababisha we are here again, it is that we have invested for soccer and we have nurtured the talents well. Yes, apart from there, tuko na uongozi mzuri ambao unasimamiwa with my able team manager.
The team manager for Kirangari High School soccer team. And I want to just add that our boys are well motivated. That is part of the reason you see them doing very well. From the sub-county, county, all the way to the regional. It's not that we have always been winning. Sometimes we lose, sometimes we win. But the resilience of the players has made us going all the way to the nationals. And we keep advising them so that they get that motivation all the time to keep winning until we go where we are.
We have selected the talents well. Tumetembea Nyanza, Central, Nairobi, Mombasa, and even Western. So vijana wetu tumetoa all over the country, and our school is sponsoring them. So that's why we are serious, and we want these boys to benefit from whatever they are doing.
The team, I think the school has well maintained the boys in the school. Some of them come from very challenged situations in families where they are not able to pay the school fees. But the school has made sure that they are in school. When the others are going home for school fees, our boys, they are kept in the school. And that is one of the reasons why even the board itself, the board of the school, the chairman of the board and the board itself has really made sure that we do not have any challenge when it comes to managing football in the school. And not just football, that in the next few years, you'll see Kirangari shining in all the areas. We are facing Kodero. We expect the game to be not very hard because of our boys. We have met serious teams that are stronger than Kodero Bara, and we are warning them that we are coming, and it will not be an easy game. Some of them, they might think, as you can see in the social media, think that we are not a strong team, so it might be a walkover for them. But they should know that we are